Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2011 Kia Sorento spark plug replacement. This looks like your vehicle, but this will work for you. This is probably just a friction fit. Ugh. Firm friction fit. It fits on the rail there and there. Alright, so we can 10mm bolts for the coils. We can probably leave the wires probably connected. If you want to disconnect them, there's a gray piece, slides back. Push this tab down. Just like that. So we'll take the 10mm bolts out and remove the coil. Here's most of the tools I'll be using: ratchet, torque wrench, extension, spark plug sockets, because they have a little boot inside that'll help hold the spark plug when you pull it out. Gun with a 10mm and a spark plug gapper. Spark plug has some nice directions on it. They want you to turn it down by hand and then tighten it 1/2 to 2/3 of a turn. The gap is 39 to 43 thousandths. We can check it with our little gapper. I'm going to be a little careful with platinum tip plugs. You don't want to be scratching anything. It's right about 40, which is good. If it was too wide, you can tap this on a hard surface gently, and well, just the right amount to make it a smaller gap. And if you need to widen the gap, this one comes with a little gapper widener you can pull up to open the gap. But this is good, so we'll just double check all the other ones and then we'll install them. Alright, it's pretty much hit bottom. We're pretty snug, so 1/2 to 2/3. It's a good idea to have maybe some dielectric grease or corrosive preventive sealant. Put a little bit on the coil. And this helps seal out moisture, and I think it helps keep the spark plug from sticking to it too. So there we go. Then you do the same for the other ones, and then you'll have replaced your spark plugs in your 2011 and other model years Kia. You put the little metal bracket on these metal brackets and then push down onto here, and you'll have completed your spark plug replacement. Good luck to you.